look lovely in my gown. What they don't know is that I have fooled them all. This day was going to be perfect, the kind of day of which I dreamed since I was small. But instead of having cake and all my friends to celebrate my wedding bells, they may not ring for me at all. I could care less about the dress, I will partake in any cake. Vows, well, I'll be lying when I say that through any kind of weather I want us to be together. The truth is I don't care for him at all. No, I do not love the groom. In my heart there is no room, but I still want him to be all mine. I must escape before it's too late, find a way to save the day. Oh, I'll be lying if I say